Okay, this is Coach Mark and welcome to BCLC online guitar lesson for beginners. Today we're going to talk about the minor chords. So we're done with the major. That was the C, the G, the E, the A, the D, and the F. So for now, we're going to talk about the minor chords. So the first minor that I'm going to discuss is the E minor. So if you remember, the E major is this one. The E minor is you use the two fingers here. So you need to like this one. So this is the E minor. So it strums all strings again, and if you want to apply the notes, you can apply it with the minor. So, but for now we're going to talk about the minor only. So this is one, the E minor. It's like a horror. It's like a horror. E minor. So next one is the A minor. A minor. Down only. The same with the E, but you need to down only lang. A minor. A minor. Basic. This is the basic. This one. So let's go back to the E minor and then the A minor. So next one is the V minor. So okay, remember the D minor. So we have three minor chords. So E minor, so your second finger, start with the second finger here in the fifth string, second fret. Your third finger is in the fourth string, second fret. So very simple again. This one, this one. You can form the E minor. And the next one, the A minor. So A minor, your first finger here in the fifth, second string, first fret. Your second finger in the fourth string, second fret. And then your third finger, third string, second fret. So remember, fifth string, you start strumming in the fifth string, then down. The same with the other chords in the major, like C, or like A and E. So it's the same with the A minor. And then the V minor. So only 5 strings. So first finger here in the first string, first fret. Your second finger here, third string, second fret, and then your third finger here, second string, third fret. One. This is the minor chords. So it's like a sad, like a sad version, or the sad song. One, E minor, A minor, and then the D minor. So that's all for now. We have 3 minors for today, and in the next video I'm going to talk another minor chord. And hope you enjoy this video. God bless and goodbye.